In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate inactive member account in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means so you can confidently bring someone back into your workspace. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Slack into the search bar, then open the official Slack website from the results. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace before proceeding. For what we're about to do, you'll need to be a Workspace admin or owner. If you don't see the admin options I'm showing, you may not have the necessary permissions. Once you're in Slack on the web, look to the top left corner of the interface and click your workspace name. This opens a menu with controls specific to your organization. From here, select Tools and Settings to reveal additional administrative controls. Next, choose Admin Tools. This is where workspace level management happens, including user status and permissions. In the Admin Tools area, click Manage Members. You'll see a list of people associated with your workspace. Locate the inactive account you want to reactivate. Using the search bar can help you find the person quickly. When you see their name, click the three-dot menu to the right of their entry to open available actions. Then select Activate Account. Slack will now ask you to choose the account type. Select the option that fits their role. Member gives full member status, which typically follows your workspace's default channel and permission settings. Multi-channel guest limits access to a defined set of channels, which is great for partners who need broader but still controlled access. Single-channel guest is the most restricted, ideal for someone who only needs one specific channel. Choosing the right level helps keep your workspace secure and your information appropriately segmented. Keep in mind that certain choices may have billing implications depending on your Slack plan. After you've selected the account type, click Save to confirm. Slack will process the change, and the user's status will switch from inactive to active. They'll be able to sign in and participate according to the access level you just set. If you don't immediately see the update, refresh the page to confirm the activation took effect. That's it. You navigated to Slack on the web, opened your workspace menu, went into Tools and Settings, then Admin Tools, Manage Members, found the inactive user, activated the account, chose the appropriate access level, and saved. If you ever can't find these options, double-check your role in the workspace or contact an admin to complete the activation.